Right. Before, I think all of you have finished writing the essay. Keep away the book. Dictation book, keep away. Close the book and keep it away. Right. So before starting the lesson, I want to tell you that your first term test paper is ready. So tomorrow is Poya day. If your parents are free, ask them to come to the class to take your first term test paper. And there are 2 more model papers. Right? There is first term paper, first term test paper, and there are 2 more model papers. So when you get the paper set, do the first term test paper only. For right mark එකක් දාලා එවන්නම් model papers දෙක නෙමෙයි අපි ඉස්සෙල්ලම කරන්නේ term test paper එක. Right? මම ඒක right mark එකක් දාලා එවන්නම්. Tomorrow whole day I am free. ඊට මගේ class එක හවස 6ට පටන් ගන්න. ඒ නිසා දවසේ ඕන වෙලාවක එන්න පුළුවන්. හෙට අම්මලා වැඩ නම් Monday ඉඳලා සතිය දවසක morning. උදේ වරුවේ එන්න කියන්නේ. And you have your number 3 essay, my pen friend essay එකත් එතනම තියෙනවා. So you can send your books also. Yes.
ටීචර් කලින් දුන්න ටියුට් එකක් තිබ්බේ මිස්. අර nature කියලා.
Yes.
ඒක මිස් කරන්න ඕනේද?
nature ටියුට් එක අද අපි මාක් කරනවා. ඒක මං ගිය සතිය homework දුන්නානේ. Didn't do? This is homework.
Only?
Only this paper, right? ඒකේ අනිත් papers කරන්නේ නැහැ. nature paper එක විතරයි මේ සතියට කරන්න කිව්වේ. Right. So the other papers I will do one by one. ඉස්සරහට එක එක කරගෙන යනවා අනිත් papers ටික. So remember our paper set එක ලැබුණම් බලන්න එතන 3 papers තියෙනවා. ඒ papers තුනෙන් first term test paper එක විතරයි කරන්නේ. essay එක copywriting කරලා තියන්න මම next week essay එකට date එක හරියටම දෙන්නම්. right? Not today. තාම ඔයාලට essay එක ලැබුණේ නැහැ. නිසා next week මම essay date එක කියන්නම්.
මොන essay date එකද මිස්?
දැන් හෙට ඔයාට essay එකක් එනවා අලුතෙන් my pen friend essay number 3 එක. ඒ essay එක dictation ලියන්නේ කවද්ද කියලා මම next week class එකේදී කියන්නම්.
මිස් අර nature ටියුට් එකේ preposition කියන ටික කරන්න කිව්ව නේද?
prepositions කරන්න ඕනේ. ඒක full sentence එක ලියන්නනේ තියෙන්නේ.
මිස් ඒක කරන්න කිව්ව නේද?
Yes, කරන්න කිව්වා. Yes, homework. Right. Okay, so do you have any questions about that? First term test paper එක ගන්න හෙට අම්මලා වේවන්න class එකට dictation book එක අනිවාර්යෙන් මේවන්න essay එක mark කරන්න තියෙනවා dictation essay එක. right? අනිත් පොත් ටික අම්මලා busy නැත්තම් වෙන ගමනක් යන්න නැත්තම් පොත් ටික එවන්න. මොකද වෙලා යනවා පොත් ටික බලන්න. නැත්තම් මේ dictation book එක විතරක් එවන්න class එකට. right? Okay. හෙට එන්න බැරි නම් අම්මලා හෙට දවසේ වැඩ නම් Monday Tuesday morning අම්මලා වෙවන්න ක්ලාස් එකට ඔයාගේ පේපර් එක ගන්න. right? එතන papers 3ක් තියෙනවා. term test paper එක මම මාක් කරලා එවන්නේ. ඒක විතරයි කරන්න තියෙන්නේ. right?
ඕනේ dictation පොත විතරද අරන් යනවනේ?
no. අම්මලා වෙන ගමන් යනවා නම් කලබලයට නම් පොත් පහම එවන්න එපා. මොකද බලන්න වෙලා යනවා. right? අම්මලාට පොත් ටික බලනකන් ටිකක් වෙලා ඉන්න පුළුවන් නම් පහම එවන්න. right?
කීයෙන් පස්සේද මිස් යන්න ඕනේ? උදේ කීයෙන් පස්සේද මිස්
ඕන වෙලාවක උදේ 7:00 ඉඳලා හවස 6ට මගේ ඔන්ලයින් ක්ලාස් එක පටන් ගන්න. එතෙක් වෙනකන් ඕන වෙලාවක එන්න පුළුවන්. right. So take a red pen. Let's mark wonders of nature. Wonders of nature. So, badahame arumaya, pudumaya, right? You may have seen or heard ahalati that a small animal becomes prey of a large animal. Prey means godura. Small animal kenek, large animal kenek prey ka. Godurak wenwa. It is very normal. But have you ever seen or dakala tiyanawada plant which catch insects? Don't you like to know about such plants? The pitcher plant is one of them. See, you have the pitcher plant. Pitcher plant grows in shallow area. Nogamburu Pradesha, where soil is poor in nitrogen. Soil, pase nitrogen pramane adu. This plant has large leaves which are twisted themselves to form a pitch. Pitch එකක් බඳුනක් වගේ හැදිලා තියෙනවා. Shape vessel with lid. There is a lid also. පියනකුත් තියෙනවා. It attracts insects by its pitcher-shaped leaves in which rainwater can accumulate. Accumulate means ekras වෙනවා. Rainwater can accumulate. Inside the wall of the pitcher, there are hairs which are directed downward. Inside, this is the pitcher. And this is the lid. Right? This is the pitcher. This is the lid. Inside the pitcher, on the wall, bittiye, there are hair. Hair means candy. Which directed downwards, pahalata namburu wona, directed downwards, so that when an insect goes into the pitcher, it get trapped inside. Meawa trap weno, ugulata hasu weno. Although it would struggle to come out, it has no escape. Berumak ne. The hair keep it entangled. Meawa hira karana me hair. And the insect would die exhausted. Exhausted means very tired. Ultimately, avasanedi, the insect is digested, ජීරණය කරගන්නවා, and absorbed by the plant. එයාගේ තියෙන nutrients, පෝෂක පදාර්ථ absorb කරගන්නවා, උරා ගන්නවා plant එකෙන්. This show the plant catches insects. මේ plant එක insect ලා catch කරන්නේ ඒ විදියට, right? Okay, so question number 1, what is the name of the plant?
Pitcher.
Yes, pitcher or pitcher plant. Pitcher or pitcher plant. Where can you see them?
In shallow areas.
That is not a complete answer. Why does it catch insects? Why?
In shallow areas where soil is poor in nitrogen.
Yes, that is important because the soil is poor in nitrogen. Plants need nitrogen. Usually the fertilizer we put, apidana fertilizer, pohorawala godakma tiyena nitrogen. Because plants need nitrogen to grow. When the soil does not have nitrogen, then no one is going to put fertilizer in the forest. Api gila fertilizer danne anne forest salts, right? So a pradeshe soil wala nitrogen aduna, then the plant get nitrogen from the insects, right? That's why especially poor in nitrogen. In shallow areas where soil is poor in nitrogen. Number 3, where does the plant
Teacher?
hold?
Teacher,
Yes.
in shallow areas කියන එකට කලින් pitcher plant grows in කියලා දාන්න බැරිද?
No problem. That is a full answer. The pitcher plant
Okay, teacher.
grows in shallow areas where soil is poor in nitrogen. Very good. It is a full answer. Number 3, where does the plant hold water?
Pitcher-shaped leaves. Rainwater.
Where කොහෙද මේ rain water hold කරන්නේ? Hold කරගන්නවා කියන්නේ අල්ල ගන්නවා. රඳව
In
ගන්න
pitcher-shaped leaves. Pitcher-shaped leaves.
Yes, pitcher shaped leaves. Pitcher shaped leaves. picture එකක් මේ භාජනයක හැඩේ තියෙන කොළවල තමයි water accumulate එක රැස් වෙන්නේ, right? Number 4, what attract insects? Insects ලව attract කරගන්නේ මොකද්ද?
Shaped vessel.
Yes, you can write few answers. Leaves. මේ leaves වලට තමයි insects ලව attract වෙන්නේ. ආකර්ෂණය වෙන්නේ. Or you can write pitch. Pitch shape vessel with lid. Right? So the both answers are correct. මේ shape එක තියෙන lid එක පියනකුත් තියෙන මේ භාජනය වගේ එක නිසා තමයි insects ලා මේකට attract වෙන්නේ. So the both answers are correct.
Excuse me, teacher. Picture shaped leaves කියලා තිබුණොත් වැරදිද?
No problem. Leaves. Picture shaped leaves. What makes it difficult for the insects to come out?
Hairs in picture shaped leaves.
Yes, hair. Because the hair is directed downwards. පහළට නැඹුරු වෙලා තියෙන්නේ, right? So that is difficult for them to go up. Hair. Hair means not hisakes, it is kendi. Kendi, right? Hair means kendi. Right, find similar words. Gather.
Accumulate.
Accumulate. Yes. Accumulate. Gather, accumulate. Finally.
Ultimately.
Ultimately, very good. Ultimately. Ultimately. Very tired.
Exhausted.
Exhausted. Very good. Exhausted. Exhausted means very tired. Exhausted. Try hard. ගොඩක් මහන්සි වෙලා දඟලනවා. Try hard.
Struggle.
Struggle. Yes, struggle. STRUGGLE. Yes, struggle. Thank you. Struggle. Okay, so let's go to question number 2. Rewrite the following sentences in full. And we have another activity in contractions from the pupils book. So we have to mark that also, right? Contractions, short form. You should write the full sentence. We are organizing. What is we are?
We are.
Yes, we are. We are organizing an exhibition.
Teacher, එතනමද නැත්තම් කොලේකද ලියන්නේ?
I think you can't write here. No, it is very untidy. Take another paper, write and clip. Right? Don't write here. It is very
ඒක කොලේ
untidy.
ලියන්නනේ. කොලේක මිස් ලියු.
මෙතනම ලිව්වද?
She is a teacher.
එනම ලියුවේ.
ලිව්වා නම් ඉතින් කරන්න දෙයක් නැහැ. Right? It is better if you write in a separate
No,
paper
miss.
and clip. Homework book.
වෙනම ලියුවේ.
වෙනම ලිව්වේ.
වෙනම
Very good.
ලිව්වේ.
Very good. Okay.
She is a teacher.
Yes, she is a teacher. She is a teacher. Number 3.
He will not come tomorrow.
He will not come tomorrow. Yes, very important. He will not. He will not come. He will not come tomorrow. It is very important. He will not
Mihiri's
come.
mother does not drive.
Yeah, this one, Mihiri's mother. Mihiri's mother. How did you write that?
Apostrophe yes.
yes.
Yes, this one you cannot write in long form. This is not short form. May apostrophe s එකෙන් කියන්නේ short form ගැන නෙමෙයි. It is possession. අයිතිය හැඟවීම. Right? So if you write Mihiri's mother, no, it is wrong. Mihiri gay mother, Mihiri apostrophe yes. Mihiri's mother. So it is important. Mihiri's mother does not drive. Yes, does not drive. Five.
I have got a parcel from my best friend.
Very good. I have got. I've means I have. I have got a parcel from my best friend. I have got a parcel from my best friend. I have. Number 6.
I would like drink coffee.
Yes, I would.
I would like drink coffee.
Yes, I would like. I'd means I would. WOULD. I would like. Yes. 7.
You must not do that.
Must not do that.
Yes, very good. You must not. Must not. Nokala yutu anivara. You must not do that.
You must not do that.
Yes.
It
very
is
good.
a carnivorous plant.
It is a carnivorous plant.
Plant. Very good. It is a carnivorous plant, right? The picture plant. This is a carnivorous plant. It is a carnivorous plant. Very good. Next page. We have 1 minute. I'm going to disconnect you, children. I'm going to disconnect you. Just stay there.
Teacher signal.
ඉන්නම disconnect කරලා ගන්නවා.
ටීචර් ගාවත් මේ ෆෝන් වල වලට රෙකෝඩ් කරන්න බෑ.
අනිත් අයට participants ලා record කරන්න බැරිද?
බැරි.
පුළුවන් ටි ෆෝන් වල කරන කට්ටියට බෑ.
ටීචර්ට පුළුවන් රෙකෝඩ් කරන්න.
ඔව් මම recording කරනවා. දැන් ඔසන්දට recording කරගන්න ඕනේලු. කොහොමද මේක?
නමිස් නිකන් ඇහුවේ.
මම recording කරනවා අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම ළමයි ලියන වෙලාවට වගේ තමයි recording නවත්තන්නේ. මොකද සමහරවිට activity එකක් කරන්න අපිට ගොඩක් වෙලා යනවානේ right? ඒ නිසා ඒ වගේ වෙලාවට recording pause මේ කරනවා. නැත්නම් recording කරනවා දිගටම right? recording group එකට දානවා. right. 26. Okay, let's go to question number 3. Question number 3 is a very good question. Grammar. Following paragraph has grammar mistakes and they are underlined. Write the correct words. Remember, in your O-level question, you will have this type of question, but they are not underlined. ඔයාගේ O-level paper එකේ test 9 එකට එනවා මේ ප්‍රශ්නෙම. වාක්‍ය කීපයක් දීලා there are 6 sentences, but the mistakes are not underlined. ඔයාලට mistake එක හොයාගෙන ඒක හදලා ලියන්න වෙනවා. But until that we have to practice. දැනට අපිට underline කරලා දෙනවා grade 8 9 වලදී අපි මේ කරන්නේ කොහොමද කියලා ඉගෙනගෙන O level question එක කරන්න යමු right? So grammar mistakes තියෙනවා මේවා අඳුරගෙන හරියට හදන්නේ කොහොමද කියන එක. This is very important. Right. So number 1. Last Tuesday. Very simple. Last Tuesday means pasugiya. So we have to go to the past tense. Last Tuesday is when bad. Last Tuesday is past tense. So number 1
Was.
yes. Last Tuesday singular, past tense singular was were. Last Tuesday was a poor day. We තීරණය කළා.
We were decided.
DECIDING. Right. What is the meaning? Are deciding. තීරණය කරමින් සිටිනවා. No. Last Tuesday.
Present continuous tense.
තීරණය කළා. Remember, it's not past continuous tense. අපි තීරණය කරමින් සිටියා නෙමෙයි. අපි තීරණය කළා. Past tense සම්පූර්ණ කරපු action එක. කරමින් සිටි action එකක් නෙමෙයි. තීරණය කළා.
We were decided.
No. Simple past tense.
decided.
Yes, decided. Was were දාන්නේ ing දාන්නේ කරමින් සිටි දෙයක්. තීරණය කරමින් සිටියා නෙමෙයි අපි තීරණය කළා. One shot action එක. ගියා, කෑවා, බිව්වා. Right? That is simple past tense. මේ කතා කරන්නේ past continuous tense එක ගැන නෙමෙයි. Past continuous tense නම් අපි තීරණය කරමින් සිටියා. No, අපි තීරණය කළා. So we go to simple past tense. Decided. තීරණය කළා. Decided to go to the river. Everybody singular.
Was.
Yes, everybody singular. Every day singular. Right? Everybody singular was. Everybody was happy. Boys jumped river.
Into.
Very good.
In the river.
Position.
The river.
In the
Into the river.
Into. Yes, into. Under, no, into. See the picture. Boys jump into the river. We, for hours. What is the past tense of swim?
Swam.
Swam.
Very good. Swim के past tense එක අපි ed දාන්නේ. It is swam. We swam for hours. We played in the river. Some picked nelua. Some picked water lilies. Later our lunch
Had.
Very good.
Had.
Yes, has के past tense එක had. We had our lunch. A tree. ගහක් උඩ ඉඳගෙනද ඔයගොල්ලෝ කෑම ගන්නේ?
Under.
Yes, under a tree. Under a tree at the river bank. In the evening, we went. Still past tense. අපි තාම ඉන්නේ past tense එකේ. We went temple. We offered water lilies and worshipped. Full moon rose brightly. Rose කියන word එක practice වෙන්න. It is rise. Rose. Rise කියන්නේ ඉහළ යනවා. Right? Rise. ඉහළ යනවා. හිරු නගිනවා. Rise. Rose කියන්නේ past tense එක. Full moon rose brightly. Everywhere. Looked. Yes, past tense. Looked. Everywhere looked.
Most beautiful.
No. Look.
Beautiful.
No. Look කියන එක noun එකක්ද verb එකක්ද?
Noun. Verb එක.
noun එකට ඔයා ed දානවද? ed දාන්නේ verb එකක්. So අපි verb එකක් විස්තර කරන්නේ adjective එකකින්ද adverb එකකින්ද?
Adverb.
Adverb එකකින්. So what is the adverb? Beautiful ගේ adverb එක? Beautifully.
Teacher එකට more beautifully කියලා දැම්මත් හරි.
More beautifully, no problem. Yes. No, beautifully, yes. More beautifully, yes. Right, question number 4. Where did you go in your holiday? Where?
I went to see the Bhopal.
Yes, I went to see the
Bhopal.
no, එතන T අකුර type වෙලා නෑ. Sorry. Bopat L. Bopat. BOPATH. T එකක් දාගන්න number 10 එකට. Bopat L. Do you know Bopat L?
Yes.
Thank you.
Teacher.
Yes, it's a beautiful waterfall, right? A small one. Where is it?
It is in the Ratnapura
This is
district.
Ratnapura district.
Yes, it's in Ratnapura district. What is it?
It is a waterfall.
Yes, it is a waterfall. What is its shape?
It has the shape of a ball leaf.
Ball leaf, yes, like this, a ball leaf shape, right? That's why we call Bopat, ball leaf. How far?
It is nearly.
How far is it from Colombo?
Nearly 100 kilometers away from
It
Colombo.
is nearly 100 kilometers away
Yes.
from Colombo.
Colombo. Weather. What was the weather?
The weather was warm. Number 8.
Number 8. Warm.
The weather
Hot.
was warm.
Yes. Warm means unusum. Warm. Why did you choose? I choose
Because of its natural beauty.
Because of its
natural beauty.
Scenic beauty. No, sorry. Number 3. Yes. Because of its natural beauty. Why? Why question එකට අපි answer කරන්න ඕනේ because of its natural beauty. Very good. What did you see there?
I saw the scenic beauty.
of
Scenic, yes. Scene means darshanaya. Scenic
Darshaniya.
beauty. Darshanaya, alankara darshanaya අපි දැක්කේ, right? Scene. මෙතන ක sound එක නෙමෙයි දෙන්නේ. Scenic beauty. Beautiful scene එක. Scenic beauty. Right. Number I. Where did you stay?
Excuse me, teacher. Scenic beauty කියන්නේ දර්ශනීය ලස්සනක්ද?
දර්ශනීය අලංකාරය. ඒ දර්ශනයේ තියෙන ලස්සන. දර්ශනය කියන එක අපි ලස්සන කියන වචනයකට ගන්නවා දර්ශන කියන එක, right? ඒ දර්ශනයේ scene එක ලස්සනයි.
I stayed there for 3 days.
3 days? No.
Where did you stay?
Where?
I stayed at a bungalow in Ratnapura.
Yes, bungalow. Where? How long?
I stayed there for
3 days.
Yes. How long? 3 days.
I stayed there for 3 days.
Okay. So question number 5, there is a flower exhibition at the town hall. Write a note to your friend inviting to join you to see it. Write a place එක ඔයාලා දීලා තියෙනවා town hall. ඒකම ලියන්න වෙනවා town hall තමයි place එක, and you should write the time. ඔයා කොයි වෙලාවෙද යන්නේ කියන එක note එකට දාන්න වෙනවා. Right, good.
Excuse me, teacher. යන දවස?
Also the date, yes, of course. And where you are going to meet in Pokunuita Junction or at the bus stop, right? Where you and your friends.
යන විදිය යන්නේ කාත් එක්කද?
Yes, with father's bike, father's car. Yes, right, good. Okay, so for next week, you can. No. Next week, test paper, no. Yes. So this week, please do the term test.
ටීචර් මේ ලබන සතියේ සාකච්ඡා කරන්න අර දෙන පේපර් එකද
yes term test paper එක අපි next week online class එකේදී සාකච්ඡා කරනවා. ඒ නිසා හෙට දවස් ඇතුළත නැත්නම් උදේ වරුවක ඇවිල්ලා paper එක ගෙනහිල්ලා ඒක කරලා තියන්න, right? I will mark the essay but the short questions we discuss in the online class. Term test paper.
හමිස් දැන් මේ ප්‍රිපොසිෂන් ටික දැන් කරනවා නේද ඇහෙන්නේ නැද්ද මෙහෙ වහින්න හොඳට
yes වැස්ස නම් ඇහෙනවා.
Teacher,
Yes.
teacher next week එක dictation දෙනව නේද?
Next week dictation, yes dictation 12 words වගේ දැන් මම ලොකු set එකක් දීලා තියෙනවා. එතනින් කොයි ටිකද okay you can mark dictation.
මිස් ගෲප් එකට දානවාද මිස් නැත්නම් හොයන්න ගියොත් වෙලා වැඩි
okay group එකේ වචන ටික ඇති අපි පාඩම් කරන්න තියෙන්නේ antonyms no. Didn't you write the words? වචන ටික ලියාගෙන නැද්ද writing book එකේ?
ඇන්ටොනිම්ස් ටික මිස්
What is that?
Yes, happy, mark, happy, encourage, treat, high, pleasant, most, legal, possible, correct, able, simple, comfort, right? Comfort is the last word. Okay, children, comfort is the
Miss,
last
වචන
word.
14ක්
Mark
තියෙනවා.
dictation.
ටීචර් ගෲප් එකකට දානවා ටීචර්.
Group එකේ තියෙනවා මම forward කරන්නම් එහෙනම්.
ඕකේ ටීචර්.
Happy, unhappy. Eight. Right, comfort is the last word. Comfort, discomfort. Okay, so let's go to the pupils book. Page number 30. Take a red pen, you can mark the activity. Activity 3.6. Right, take a red pen, you can mark. I am, I'm. I have, I've. They are, they are. Put right marks. We have. We'll.
ඊට් කරාද අර මේ අර කතා මිස්
ඔසඳ. ඔසඳ.
මිස් කතා කරාද දැන් නිසා words කියන ටික කරේ නෑ නේද?
Are you finished marking?
Yes, teacher.
Right. So come to the pupils book, page number 27, the magic words. We have a beautiful story. Page number 27, the magic words. Right. Ganidu, can you start reading first paragraph?
Yes, teacher. The magic words. Once there was a king who had a strange problem. Even thought he was an honest and just king, his people did not follow his orders. No matter how hard he tried to make his people follow his orders, they did not obey him. However, since he was a just king, he did not want to punish his people only for not following his orders. Therefore, the king summoned a great wizard who was known to be wisest man in the kingdom. He asked the wizard if he could cast a spell that would make the people of this kingdom obey the king's orders.
Right, thank you. Let's check the meaning of the first paragraph, the magic words. You have all the meanings of these words in your writing book. If you write the words, right, I send the words to WhatsApp. So you have the words. Open your writing book and keep next to the book. The Sinhala meanings are there. Once there was a king who had a strange problem. A strange, amutu problem eka. Even though he was an honest, avankai, just, yuktigaruka. His people did not follow his orders. Orders follow kalene. What is an order?
Nitiya?
Yes, order. I order you to do homework. I order you to read the lesson. Order ekak කියන්නේ ana, right? Did not follow. Orders follow කලේ නෑ මේ මිනිස්සු. No matter how hard he tried. Hard ගොඩක් try කළා to make his people follow his orders. They did not obey him. What is obey? Did not obey. However, since he was a just king, then may just king kenek, yuktigaruka raja kenek, he did not want to punish his people only for not following his orders. Orders follow කරන්නේ නැති කමටම මිනිසුන්ට punish කරන්න රජතුමාට අවශ්‍ය වුණේ නැහැ. Therefore, the king summoned means කැඳවනවා. The king summoned a great wizard, මන්තරකාරයෙක්, who know to be the wisest man, wise බුද්ධිමත් man in the kingdom. He asked the wizard if he could cast a spell, මන්තරයක් මතුරන්න, that would make the people of this kingdom obey king's orders, right? cast a spell මන්තරයක් මතු කරන්න. එතකොට මේ මිනිස්සු මට ඔබේ වෙයි, කීකරු වෙයි කියලා. Right. Nihan, read the 2 and 3 paragraph. Second and third paragraph, Nihan.
ටීචර් words ටික දැන් දැම්ම නේද group එකට ඒ ටික දැන් ලියා ගන්නද?
Not now. Now listen to the lesson.
Okay teacher.
The old wizard, who did not want to disappoint the king, cast a spell on the people of the kingdom, but all his efforts were fertile. None of the people followed the king's orders. One day, a young man came to the palace. He said that he possessed powerful magical powers that could solve the king's problem. The king was overjoyed. They given him permission to start his work immediately.
Right. Let's check the meaning. The old wizard, who did not want to disappoint the king. Disappoint means balaporottu sun wenama. Right? You have the meanings. Balaporottu sun karanna did not want. Avashya une ne rajuge. Cast a spell on the people of the kingdom. But all his efforts, mesiyalu utsahayan efforts were futile. Nisaru una, nishpala una, futile. None of the people followed the king's orders. None. Kawurut ne people la king order follow kale. Them cast a spell mantarayak nathiruwa. Namuth people la follow kale ne meka futile. Nishpala una. One day a young man came to the palace. He said that he possessed powerful magical power. Maya balayak. That could solve the king's problem. Solve means gatalu visandanama. The king was overjoyed. Joy over. Satuta වැඩි වෙනවා. Overjoyed and gave him permission to start the work immediately. වහාම වැඩ පටන් ගන්න කියලා permission දුන්නා. Yasara, you read.
In a very short time, the young man came to the king with two small parchment and said, Your Majesty, these are the spells that I have prepared for you. Whenever you are giving orders to your people, use the word that I have written here. If they smile, that means the spell has worked. The most important things about my spell is that it won't wear off. It is not last forever.
Miss දැන් කට් වුණාද?
No. ඔයාව කට් වුණාද?
ඕ මිස් මට සිග්නල් නැහැ.
Okay. No, අපි කට් වුණේ නෑ. කට් වෙන්න තාම නෑ මං හිතන්නේ.
මිස් මොකක් හරි වැඩක් කරේ නැහැ නේද?
Right, page number 28 pupils book.
Teacher, අපේ hot and විනාඩි 11ක් තියෙනවා.
Okay. Right, so let's check the meaning. Page number 28, third paragraph. In a very short time, the young man came to the king with two small parchment. Parchment means podi liyawilla, podi patrikawa. Parchment, two small parchment, podi kola kali deka. And said, Your Majesty, Uttumanani, these are the spells that I have prepared for you. Spell leka mantaraya. Whenever you are giving orders to your people, orders denokota people ata one use one or many of the words that I have written here. දැන් මේ parchment එකේ මම words ලියලා තියෙනවා. මේකෙන් one or many එකක් හෝ කීපයක් use කරන්න orders දෙනකොට. If they smile, ඒගොල්ලෝ hina වුණොත් that means the spell work. Spell එක වැඩ කරලා තියෙනවා. The most important thing about my spell is that it won't wear off. Wear off means දිරාපත් වෙනවා. මේක කල්ලිකුත් වීමක්. දිරාපත් වීමක් වෙන්නේ නෑ මේ spell එක. It will last forever. සදහටම පවතිනවා. This one last, last, last කියන මෙතන අන්තිම කියන meaning එක නෙමෙයි. පවතිනවා. last, last පවතිනවා. Last forever. සදහටම පවතිනවා. Right. Lutika, read the next paragraph.
In a very short time, the young man.
Next one, yes. The king was
very excited. He saw a servant passing by and said the first word and asked him to bring a platter of food. For a moment, the servant looked
bewildered.
Within a few minutes, the servant was in front of the king with a platter of food with a smile on his face. The king was amazed. He read the second magic word and said, "You may go." The servant left, feeling happy. Before long, all the citizens began to obey the king. Not only did they complete with his orders, they complete with them willingly.
Right. Let's check the meaning. The king was very excited. Very excited means very happy. He saw a servant passing by. Servant kenek yana. And said the first word parchment වලින් first word එක කිව්වා and asked him to bring a platter of food. Platter means plate. Plate එකක්. කෑම plate එකක් පිඟානක් ගේන්න කියලා කිව්වා. First word එක කියලා කිව්වා plate එකක් ගේන්න කියලා. For a moment, මොහොතක් the servant looked bewildered. Bewildered means විමතියටපත් වෙනවා. ඊතා පුදුමයටපත් වෙනවා. විමතියටපත් වෙනවා. Within a few minute to keeping, the servant was in front of the king with a platter of food with a smile. Hinavaki. The king was amazed. King uttered Prakashakala, the second magic word, and said, "You may go." The servant felt feeling happy. Servant gaya happy. Before long, the citizens, Puravasiyo, began to obey the king. King to then obey venava. Not only they comply with his orders, comply yatat venava. Orders walata ekanga venava. They complied them willingly කැමැත්තෙන් මේ orders අනුගමනය කරනවා. පහන් last paragraph පහන්
Teacher, I can
last paragraph, Pahan, read. Pahan, can you read the last paragraph? Okay, Dasuni, can you read the last paragraph?
Can teacher. Soon the news about the young man who could cast such powerful spells spread everywhere in the kingdom. Before long, the old wizard heard about the young man and came to meet him. It is a great honor to meet a wizard as powerful as you, he said. Would you mind sharing with me the secret of your magic? The young man smiled and said, my friend, I am not a wizard, I am a teacher. What I wrote on those parchments were not magic utterances, but polite words. The first word was please, and the second was thank you. What our king lacked were good manners. Even though he was a just king, he didn't speak to his people politely. That's why his people disobeyed his orders. These polite words will turn any command into a kind polite request.
Yes, thank you. So let's check the meaning now. Soon, the news about the young man who could cast such powerful spells. Now, this is a powerful spell because it works. All the people now follow the king's orders. The Rajatumage orders means to follow karano. Right? So it is very powerful magic. Then me news seka hamatanama giya. Everywhere in the kingdom. Before long, the old wizard, Kalingapu Vaisaka Mantarakaru, heard the young man and came to meet him. Me young man no hambenava. It's a great honor. Honor means Gauravya. It's a great honor to meet a powerful wizard like you. Pavage powerful wizard kenek hamuwima great honor. Loku Gauravya. He said, would you mind, or Kamathida, would you mind sharing with me the secret of your magic? May secret take a mateka share karagan. The young man smiled and said, my friend, I am not a wizard. I am a teacher. What I wrote on that parchments, are parchments, podi liyavili, podi patrikavala monada mama liuve, were not magic utterance. They were magic prakasha neme, but polite words. Acharashili vachana. The first word was please, and the second was thank you. What our king lacked were good manners. Lack means adu. Ape Rajatumata adu, good manners. Even though he was a just king, kenek, namuth, he didn't speak to his people politely. Minisundu kata kale politely neme. That is why his people disobey his orders. Orders were disobey when akikaru wenne nisa. These polite words, may acharashili vachana, please, thank you, wage polite words will turn karanama, haravanama, any command, onama command dekak into a kind, polite request. Boma karunavanta, acharashili request dekak. Illima bavata. Please bring me some water. The king make a please natuwa kiwwat, bring me some water. It's a command. Please bring me some water. It's a request. Illima. Right? Come here. Order. Please come here. Request. Right? So those are polite words. Those are not magic utterance. Your magic vachana nemeliyala tiyenne polite words. Then here we have something highlighted, the lesson. Politeness is a sign of dignity. Nihatamanikvaye sanyavak tamai politeness kiyanne, not subservience. Yatat veema නෙමෙයි. අපි polite වෙනවා කියන්නේ dignity නිහතමානීත්වයක subservience යටත් වීම නෙමෙයි. Right? Okay, so we have questions there. I have an old book. I'm not sure if our questions are same. මගේ ප්‍රශ්න වෙනස්ද කියලා මට sure නැහැ. Nehan, can you please read your questions in the pupils book?
Okay, teacher. First one, what was the king's problem?
Okay.
Second one, how did the old wizard try to solve the king's problem and
Okay.
was he successful?
Wait,
Number
wait, wait.
3.
How did the old wizard try to solve the king's problem?
And
number 2, how did the old wizard try to solve the king's problem? එයා try කළේ කොහොමද? And was he successful? එයා සාර්ථක වුණාද? Yes or no? Right? So you have 2 questions there. Number 3, who came along next to solve the king's problem? Who? කවුද? What did he ask the king to do? What? මොකද්ද කරන්න කිව්වේ? Did the young man's magic work? Yes or no? Right. Okay. So I am not going to help for the questions. Let's go to the writing book and start the questions and answers. Activity.
WhatsApp එකේ මිස් වර words ටික ඕක ලියලාද කරන්න ඕනේ නැත්නම් කලින්ද?
No, now start the activity, later do. පස්සේනවා writing කරන්න දැන් ඒක ලියන්න ඉඩ තියන්න එපා. Do the activity. Later write. Activity 3.5, write the questions and answer. Situka Netuka, put down your hands and do the activity. .5.
teacher, activity book එකේ නේද?
Yes, in the writing book, yes. Right. Take your red pen. Let's mark. What was the king's problem?
People did not follow his orders.
Yes. His people did not follow his orders. Very good.
Teacher, there are people කියලා ලියලා තිබ්බොත්
No problem. They are people. His people. Yes.
Excuse me, teacher. එතකොට he was an honest and just king. His people did not follow his orders.
Yes. This is the problem. People of orders follow කරන්නේ. Number 2. How did the old wizard try to solve the king's problem?
By casting a spell.
Yes. Cast a spell. එයා මන්තරයක් මැතිරුවා on the people of the kingdom. On the people of the kingdom. Was he successful?
No.
No.
Excuse me, teacher. මේ people of the kingdom කියන එකත් අපි ලියන්න ඕනද?
This is enough.
එතකොට ටීචර් මේ was he successful කියන එකට කෙලින්ම නිකම්ම no කියලා තිබුණා.
Yes.
Teacher, no කියන එක වෙනුවට his efforts were full කියලා ලියලා තිබ්බා.
Futile. Yes, his efforts were futile. Yes, futile means nishpala. Right, futile. Who came along?
The young man.
Yes. You can write a young man. Actually, he's a teacher. Right, a young man. So, what did he ask the king to do?
Polite words.
Speak polite words.
Speak polite words. කෙලින්ම එහෙම කියලාද කිව්වේ?
Speak words in parchments.
That's why.
He asked.
Whenever the king is giving orders to people, use one or many of the words there. So maybe you can have different answers, right? එකම meaning එක තියෙන විවිධ answers දෙන්න පුළුවන්. So use the words in the parchments. කෙලින්ම
එතකොට teacher speak polite words කියලා තිබුණොත් වැරදිද?
No. ඇත්තටම king දන්නේ මේ wizard young man king ට කිව්වේ නෑ polite word use කරන්න කියලා. king දන්නෙත් නෑ polite words කියන්නේ මොනවද කියලා. polite words කතාව young man old wizard ට කිව්වේ. young man king ට කිව්වේ නෑ king මෙන්න මේවා තමයි polite words. මේ polite words use කරා නම් මේ දේ හරියනවා එහෙම කිව්වේ නෑ. ඇත්තටම young man උත් මේක මන්තරයක් විදියටම තමයි දුන්නේ. මෙතන කිය the important thing about my spell. මේ මගේ මන්තරයේ වැදගත්ම දේ තමයි it won't wear off. මේක දිරාපත් වෙන්නේ නෑ. It will last forever. සදහටම පවතිනවා. ඒතකොට young man මේක ඉදිරිපත් කළේ spell එකක්. මන්තරයක් විදියටම. Right? Polite words කියනත් meaning එකෙන් නෙමෙයි. ඇත්තටම එයා කිංට කිව්වේ අර parchments වල තියෙන වචන use කරන්න කියලා orders දෙනකොට. Did the young man's magic work?
Yes.
Yes. Hi. Okay, so
ටීචර් මේ ඩික්ටේෂන් එක පොඩ්ඩක් කියන්න පුළුවන් දායි.
happy, unhappy, encourage, discourage, treat, ill treat, high, low, pleasant, unpleasant, most, least, legal, illegal, possible, impossible, correct, incorrect, able, unable, simple, complex, comfort, discomfort. Right. So come to page number 31. Uncountable nouns, plural form. Count karanna bari දේවල් count කරන්න වෙනවා අපිට. Look at these pictures. Milk. Milk අපි බිඳුවෙන් බිඳුව count කරන්නේ. But when we put milk into bottles, we can count how many bottles are there. Rice. හාල් ඇටෙන් ඇටේ අපි ගණන් කරන්න යන්නේ. Sometimes we can count hal in kilos. 1 kilo, 2 kilos, 3 kilos, like that. Sometimes we can count rice in sacks. Sack එක ගෝණියක දාලා. 1 sack, 2 sack, like that. Or rice, there are packets. 1 rice packet, 2 rice packets, right? Picture number 3, cake. A piece of cake. 2 pieces of cake. 3 pieces of cake. Milk, another one again milk. And rice, pot of rice, pot teka. Paper, sheet of paper. Again rice kilo. Water, glass of water, 2 glasses of water. And bread, how many slices? Peti kiyada, right? How many slices? So activity 3.7. Write the plural form of the uncountable nouns of the pictures given below. This one you have to photocopy or you can draw. Draw and color the pictures, then write the uncountable noun. Right? Photocopy the pictures or draw and color, then write the uncountable plural noun. How many? Question B, next page, we can do now. 56, no time. Is it no time?
ටීචර් මේ අර ඒ question එක කොහොමද මිස් කරන්නේ රූපය අලවලා යටින්ද
Yes, write down. Picture, noun. Picture, noun.
එතකොට අර bag of sugar අර උදාහරණ තියෙන විදිහට නේද මිස්?
Wait, I will write on the board and tell you how to do. Activity 3 points. You can draw the pictures, no problem. Right, some children are very good at drawing. Right, or drawing වලට කැමති නම් draw කරන්න පුළුවන්. Example number 1, like this. So there are two. We call these cartons. 2 carton. මේ tetra pack එකට අපි කියන්නේ carton එක කියලා, right? So 2 cartons of milk. Sacks. 3 sacks. Sahal Goni.
ඒක දෙන්න.
3 sacks of rice. Pieces of cake. Picture here. Pieces. Pieces of cake. And next one, bottles of milk. Can't see the board.
Teacher?
Can't see. Bottles.
Excuse me, teacher.
Yes.
ඔය grade 8 ද?
Yes, grade 8. And the next one, pots of rice. Don't disturb Akkala writing. Pots of rice. Sheets of paper. Sheets. Sheets of paper. glasses of water. 2 glasses of water.
Teacher, අපි දැන් ඔබ ලියා ගන්න ඕනද?
No. I am just helping for those with difficult words. අමාරු වචන තියෙනවා නම් විතරක් ලියා ගන්න. Slices of bread. Cartons of milk. Sacks of rice. Akkala can't see. Pieces of cake. Bottles of milk. Pots of rice. Sheets of paper. Glasses of water. Slices of bread. Sit down. Give me a sec. Okay. Right, I think so. You have to do that for homework. .7 homework. It's a grammar lesson, right? So we have to do that in the grammar book. Grammar book, children. Please do in the grammar book.
හෙට grammar book එකේ වන්න මිස්.
Okay, Asara. But you can see it's a grammar question, right? No problem. Others, please do in the grammar book.
මිස් writing book එකේ දැන් පොඩ්ඩක් ලියවන්න.
ලියුවා නම් කමන්නේ එහෙම continue කරන්න. Others, do it in the grammar book. Right, so can we stop the class for today?
එතකොට මේ හෙට writing book එකේ වන්නේ
Right, grade 8. Can we stop the class for today then?
හෙට මිස් writing book එකේ වන්නද?
Writing book එකේ yes. මෙහෙමයි ඔයාගේ අම්මලාට ක්ලාස් එකේ ටිකක් වෙලා ඉන්න පුළුවන් නම් පොත් බලන්න වෙලා යන නිසා පොත් ටික එවන්න. අම්මලා කලබලයට ගමන් යන්න නැස් වෙලා එනවනම් පොත් එවන්න එපා. right ඒක ඔයා තීරණය කරන්න. පොත් ටික එවුවොත් අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම මම බලලා එවනවා. especially dictation book එක අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම එවන්න. essay එක මාක් කරන්න තියෙනවා. අනිත් books ටිකක් වෙලා යන නිසා බලන්න අම්මලාට ඒ ගැන කියන්න.
What did they say?
Right. So grade 8, any other questions do you have? No, right? Okay. So grade 8, thank you very much for joining the online class today. Goodbye.
I want to hear what they say.
Goodbye, teacher. Teacher, excuse me, teacher.
Hey.
Excuse me, teacher.
I'm not the teacher, I'm just Melanie. I was being on the first online class. In Monday, I'm gonna have a class too, but I won't be in the online class. I also have a class like you. Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Is the big kids class?
Grade 6.
Grade 6, whoa, that's the big kids class. Hey, that's my mommy's and daddy's class. Hey, Drama's going to be in the class. He's funny. Bye. I'm not the baby.
Bye.
I'm not the baby. Fine.